Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many PlayStation 4 users encounter, the dreaded error code CE-30006-9. This error occurs when there's a problem accessing the data on your PS4. It can be frustrating, but fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the steps to fix it. First, let's try a simple solution. Start by turning off your PS4 completely. Unplug the power cord from the back of the console and wait for about 30 seconds. This will allow any residual power to dissipate. After the time has passed, plug the power cord back in and turn on your PS4. If the error persists, we'll move on to the next step. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes cause this error. Make sure your PS4 is connected to a stable and reliable network. You can do this by going to the Settings menu, selecting Network, and then Test Internet Connection. If the test shows any issues, try resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. If the internet connection is not the problem, we'll move on to rebuilding the database. This process can help fix any corrupted data that may be causing the error. To do this, turn off your PS4 completely. Then, press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will boot your PS4 into safe mode. Connect your controller to the console using a USB cable and select the Rebuild Database option. Be patient, as this process may take some time. If none of these steps have resolved the issue, it's time to consider initializing your PS4. This will restore your console to its factory settings, so make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. To initialize your PS4, go to the Settings menu, select Initialization, and then Initialize PS4. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Remember, if you're still experiencing the CE-306-9 error after trying all these steps, it may be best to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. They have a team of experts who can help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of fixing the PS4 error code CE-30006-9. Remember to always stay calm and patient when troubleshooting technology issues. Good luck and happy gaming.